Okay, today's trade recap, August 2nd. Traded four stocks, APHA, CLDR, UGAS, and DGAS. So really wasn't a lot going on this morning. I actually didn't trade UGAS and DGAS until later. I'll go with my first trade with CLDR. So obviously it's gapping down now, but earlier this morning it gapped up to over 720 and had potential to go up to the low here. It was about 850. Had potential to go to. Anyhow, so I took my first trade. Market opened, waited for a pullback. I saw it holding level here, so I took a trade. So my exit was hoping for 729, previous resistance. Once it broke 715, I sold. I had a small loss, and then it pulled back here, pushed up. I actually took a different trade on APHA in the meantime. So APHA, I took a loss of $50 as well. So had a nice big gap up here. Gap to $6.87. So 30% gap today. Hit a lot of resistance at this level, about $6.80 to $7. A lot of resistance. So I bought the washout long. So what I noticed on the daily is it had a nice bottoming tail. So market opened, big flush. It had a big bottoming tail here as the reversal is pushing up. So I like that. And then I was going to wait for the next washout. So I bought this pullback here, this washout. Took a starter position, washed out even more. So I added, tried to sell up here. No luck selling. Volume was a little light. Pulled back, so I added again, and then I sold. So this was a $10 profit right here. So, and then I traded it one more time. So it pushed up, created this bull flag here, and then I tried to sell up here. No luck. It pulled back here, and then I held it a little bit too long. Once it broke low of this candle, I sold. So obviously it pushed back up, and I could have sold for a small profit, and then it continued to push back up for the day. So it is what it is. I didn't want to stick around and push my luck with APHA, so I just took the $30 loss, and then I tried CLDR again. So I bought back in here, so for the double bottom. So, and then it just was taking way too long to push up, so I didn't like it. I got anxious, and I sold my position here. So I was down 80 bucks on CLDR, and then I made back $30. So my next trade was on UGAS. So the reason why I bought UGAS because DGAS was so overextended on the day. So I noticed there's resistance on the $196 level, and it was right around the 10:30 reversal time, Eastern Standard Time. So it pushed up and it peaked out just over 196, and then it huge washout. So I was anticipating the reversal, especially on the resistance from the daily. So that's why I bought in UGAS. So a big washout, I bought in, and then it pulled back a little bit. I was going to add here. I noticed it holding support, starting to push up. So I didn't add, and then I sold at the previous resistance at $11.75 was when I sold at. So I was actually right there. and I made $130 on UGAS. Took a 1,000 share position here. I obviously could have kept trading, but on the daily on UGAS, I mean, huge gap down. Very red for the day. I didn't want to push my luck with UGAS, so I waited for a double bottom right here, and I bought in. So very nice trade with DGAS. So as you can see, it pushed up. I sold at the previous resistance at the $1.93 level. I made $243 on DGAS. So my net P&L is $242.37, and I'm just call it a day. Kind of feel like it overtraded today. Actually was negative on the day until I traded DGAS and UGAS, and I was just going to call it a day, but just stayed patient, looked for an opportunity, and it presented itself, so I capitalized on it. So, but that's my trade recap on the second.